Hello there, Carter and Mary. How are you?
We are good.
I think, Carter, that you are about to step 8 of the Easy-Peasy process.
Ooh.
Do you know what that step might be? Take a look at these peas. Let's look what they're doing. Remember we had a bunch of W's we were talking about when we were talking about the peas? They were like, one was water, right? And one was watch and wonder and wait, and I think there might be another W word that these peas are like doing right now. If you look down in there, do you see any of this going on? They are getting ready to wind. So if you put your hand down in there, this one, there's a couple down in there that are so tall now that you can start winding those peas up that trellis. I'm going to show, yeah, I bet your mom can show you how.
Do you go down this way?
Yeah, they're getting just long enough to start guiding them to go up
this
there.
One is clinging on.
Yeah, right there. It's going right there. So
this one's about to do it.
It is about to do that.
And that one is. This one's getting ready to like go up there and like go under probably, and then go over.
You think so?
And then we'll keep doing that up here, and then go all the way.
I think you're right. That's exactly what it's gonna do.
It's gonna yank, 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 yank.
All the way up. All the way up. How tall do you think it'll get? Let's wonder for a second. How tall?
That high? Through the strawberry bushes?
Oh my gosh, all the way up that high. You think so?
Yes.
I am very curious myself. So take a look at, show me the water. What's the water situation? Is that soil gray or black right now? How's it doing?
Good.
Good? What color is it?
Black.
Black? All right. Fabulous, because that is what we want.
They're in Mommy's hair.
They are in Mommy's hair. So I think you're going to grow some, you're going to grow some of those in there too, huh? Oh my goodness, that would be interesting.
I'm going to find more to plant.
Okay, well I think you've got a good start here. All you have to do now is wind these things as they keep growing.
All right.
And we'll see how far they go in a week.
Okay.
And then pretty soon, Mom might notice a white, oh my gosh, another W. A white something or other. What do you think might be white if we see it on our pea plants?
Oh, what would grow white?
What would be white on a pea plant? Any idea?
Or on any plant?
In fact, we've seen some, what's white on that cherry tree over there? What's white on the cherry? Flowers, exactly.
White flowers.
And what will the flowers eventually turn into if we find some bees to pollinate it? Peas! Yay! So
Bees and peas.
we are making progress, exactly.